In this video, we listed the 5 best drones for photographers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight and foldable drone designed for both beginner and experienced users. Weighing under 249 g, it often doesn't require registration, making it ideal for travel. It boasts features like 4K video capture, 48MP stills, tri-directional obstacle sensing, and intelligent flight modes like focus track and master shots. Its true vertical shooting capability is perfect for social media content, and it offers a flight time of up to 34 minutes, extendable to 47 with a separate battery. It also includes the DJI N1 remote controller and is compatible with DJI goggles for an immersive flight experience. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is an advanced drone designed for professional and adult users, featuring cutting-edge capabilities and exceptional performance. Equipped with a Hasselblad main camera boasting a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm equivalent format, and 20MP resolution, it supports shooting RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops and video capture in 4K and 5.1K resolutions. The drone is FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring adherence to regulatory requirements. Safety is prioritized with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, utilizing 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine for obstacle detection. With a maximum flight time of 43 minutes and DJI O3 Plus technology offering a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers extended flight capability and stable signal transmission. The package includes the DJI RC remote controller with a built-in screen, one intelligent flight battery, and other essential components. Enhancements like the new Vision Assist and upgraded color modes for the 70mm medium telecamera further expand creative possibilities, making it an ideal choice for advanced users seeking professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E Drone. The Holy Stone HS720E is a 4K camera drone designed for adults, featuring an integrated camera with EIS anti-shake technology and a Sony sensor for superior image quality. It boasts FAA compliance, with the addition of a remote ID module, GPS with auto return to home, an extended flight time of 46 minutes with 2 batteries. User-friendly controls like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes simplify capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, while its brushless motors ensure powerful, quiet, and stable flights with minimal maintenance. The drone comes with essential accessories like a transmitter, portable bag, extra propeller blades, and batteries. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus drone is a high-performance drone featuring a 6K camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and adjustable aperture, f2.8, f11, designed for both daytime and nighttime aerial filming. It boasts a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, 3-way obstacle avoidance, and offers a long flight time of up to 40 minutes with an 11 km transmission range. This orange drone is aimed at intermediate users and includes intelligent features such as automatic subject tracking, for automatic shooting modes, and comes with essential components like a battery and camera. Number 5. DJI Air 2S Drone. The DJI Air 2S is a gray, portable drone designed for adults with an intermediate skill level. Its key features include a high-sensitivity 1-inch image sensor capable of capturing 5.4K, 30fps and 4K, 60fps video, obstacle avoidance, and image stabilization. The drone offers intelligent features like master shots and focus track to simplify complex shots. With a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, it can record up to 1 billion colors. It boasts a maximum video transmission range of 7.5 miles using DJI's O3, OcuSync 3.0, technology, and is equipped with environmental sensing in 4 directions for active obstacle avoidance. The package includes the aircraft, remote controller, intelligent flight battery, propellers, cables, charger, and other necessary accessories. It weighs 595 grams.